Process technology of SPC Floor Production line. SPC Floor Production line consists of 6 parts: mixing system, extrusion system, calendering system, tractor, shearing machine, and automatic plating machine. Mixing system. The first step is feeding. The raw materials are put into the mixer in proportion to the formula. Other processing aids need to be mirrored separately and mixed together. Then put into the feeding station and sucked into a feeding tank by vacuum feeder. Subsequently, the principle of heating up by friction is used to mix the raw materials at high speed and raise the temperature from 125 degrees centigrade to 160 degrees centigrade, which will make the processing aids be melted and the water vapor be removed from the raw materials, so that the raw materials can meet the requirements of use. After that, rapid cooling is carried out to prevent any occurrence of the problems, such as plasticizing in advance or volatilization decomposition of processing aids. The materials discharged from the cold pour are fed into the screw barrel by screw feeder at a constant speed, while double screw feeding can avoid the influence of the starch, stop of the feeder on the stability of the feeding process. Extrusion system. After entering the screw barrel, the materials are plasticized by heated rolling. In this process, the temperature control is the most critical link. The temperature control of Boyu SPC Floor Production line is divided into 5 zones. For the temperature settings, it is gradually decreased from Zone 1 with initial temperature of 190 degrees centigrade to 220 degrees centigrade to Zone 5. For hot wire, Zone 1 and Zone 2 adopt heating coils. In the other heating zones, casting aluminum heating coil. Manners plus radiator fan is used to control the temperature. For soft wire, temperature control module plus relay board is used to complete the heating or heat dissipation output, which combines with higher precision thermocouple for the temperature measurement, so as to realize the precise control of the temperature. After the completion of plasticizing, the materials will be extruded and then pushed to the tooling by strong back pressure. The tooling size is determined by product specifications. Calendering system. The material strip comes out of the tooling opening and then enter the 5-roller calendering system. Firstly, it is rolled by number 1 roller and number 2 roller to ensure that the thickness is uniform and up to the standard. Subsequently, the wear-resistant coating of color film is falsely fitted by the temperature material strip itself and the heating of number 3 roller. Then, sent to number 4 roller and number 5 roller for embossing. Number 4 roller is made of a silicon rubber one, which will make the embossing texture clear by using the method of a cold pressing. The stability of color film and wetting is the key to the rate of final products. Boyu SPC Floor Production line adopts automatic constant tension control system for output, so as to ensure the stability of color film and wetting. Meanwhile, it can also ensure that the wetting rod is not offside by using the automatic correction program. Synchronous registration system combines high-speed operation module with emerging alignment system to make the surface embossing coincide with the color film pattern so as to achieve the precise alignment effect of synchronous registration. Tractor. The tractor of a Boyu SPC Floor Production line adapts the structure frequency conversion, speed regulation, and multi-direct connection, which can match the production line speed perfectly. Shearing machine. The material strap is transported to the shearing machine by the tractor for cross-cutting. For the cutting length, the signal is transmitted by photoelectric switch, so that the response can be sensitive and the length can be accurate. Automatic plating machine. The finished material strap after being cutting will be stacked by automatic plating machine.